Diesel Tailgate and To the Line present.
Four-wheel drive hub repair. I bought these hubs 5 years ago to replace the factory hubs that had seized up. Warren wouldn't honor any warranty and they don't offer replacement parts, so it wasn't about to spend another $250 to buy a new set, would just probably go bad in the same way. So here is my attempt at disassembling and repairing these hubs. Simply by removing the mechanism and adding a new coat of paint, I was able to breathe new life into the original hubs, and they work just fine. Alright, so take these hubs off that Chad loaned me. These are, I believe, off a stock 97. Luckily they still fit this thing. Body off and I pop the ring out. Alright, so that's out. So everything pulls out. Assembly for my hubs. Drop that sucker in there. Alright, so we got the split ring here. This one, these go in a little bit easier than the other kind. Get the cap, we'll line it up. Alright. So much easier. And there we go. So here's what the finished product looked like, and they worked so much better that losing a little bit of chrome wasn't such a big deal.